स्मृति पुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं यो नित्यम् अच्युतपदाम्बुज युग्मरुक्म व्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मत् गुरोर् भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये रामानुजदयापात्रं ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणं श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यं वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य प्रभुनित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधार श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Okay, now shall we revise some old bhajans that we have learned? Some old bhajans. Who can sing Namadeva Kirtana? Kari Prema Bharanacha Panduranga. Anyone remembers? Who was attending the class at that time? No one, no?
Hello, Mataji, what happened?
Namadeva Kirtana Kari Panduranga. You remember, Satvik?
Yes, Mataji, Abanga.
Ah, listen.
Yes, Mataji.
Super. Go ahead.
नामदेव कीर्तन करे प्रेम भरनाच पांडुरंगा नामदेव कीर्तन करे प्रेम भरनाच पांडुरंगा जनाबाई बने देवा बोलो अभंगा जनाबाई बने देवा बोलो अभंगा नामदेवा हरि हरि नामदेव कीर्तन करे प्रेम नाच पांडुरंगा अभंग बोलत दा कीर्तनी रंग बोटावरा अभंग बोलत दा कीर्तनी रंग बोटावरा प्रेमाची या संग देव नाचूला कला प्रेमाची आनंद देव नाचूला कला नामदेवा हरि नामदेवा
Sing.
हरि नामदेवा हरि हरि नामदेवा नाचत डोलत देवांचा कलल पीतांबरा नाचत
नाचत
हरि
हरि
डोलत
बोलत हरि नाचत डोलत देवाचा
देवांचा कलल
तांबरा.
पीतांबरा सावत हुई देवा ऐसे बोले कबीरा नामदेवा हरि हरि नामदेवा कीर्तन करे प्रेम नाच पांडुरंगा नामयाची जनी लोले संत ये पाई
संताचे
नामयाची
पायी.
संते
संताचे
संताचे
पायी.
पाई जन्म मरणापासून मुक्त करडकी डोबाई जन्म
जन्म
मरणापासून मुक्त
मरणापासून मुक्त
करडकी
करिके
डोबाई
करिके
नामदेवा
विठोबाई. चल, go ahead.
नामदेवा हरि हरि नामदेवा कीर्तन करे प्रेम भर नाच पांडुरंगा नाच पांडुरंगा रंगा नाच पांडुरंगा.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Excellent. Very nice. You remember. Okay. Who else were there from old classes? Prayukta. Prayukta, can you sing any old bhajan that we have learned? Do you remember Ashutosh Shashank Shekhar? At least half the song. Can you
Radhe
sing?
Radhe. Yes, Mataji. I remembered.
No, no, not you, Satvik. You have sung already, no? Let's ask someone else to sing.
Radhe Radhe Mataji.
Radhe Radhe. Who is that?
Akka mummy Mataji. Mataji.
Why is there so much echo? Huh. Who is that? I can't hear anything. Can everyone else mute yourself? Except for the person speaking, can everyone else mute? Are you attending from the same room? Can you just split? Huh. Who's talking now?
P Satvik. P Satvik
P
Mataji.
Satvik. Karnataka.
Hare
Tell me.
Krishna Mataji.
Huh.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay. Okay, so who can sing except for Satvik? Who can sing Ashutosh? Old students. I don't see many old students though. I see Prayukta. I don't see anyone else. Prayukta, do you know?
Mataji, can I sing Radhe 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 Govinda?
No. That is very easy. And you have been always singing that. Some other bhajan? See, so many I have taught you. Can you sing Manda Manda Chalata? Okay. Can you sing Ayodhya Vasi Ram?
Mataji, I'll sing Ayodhya Vasiram.
Wait, Satvik. I know that you know the song. Let us ask others. See, Kana, if you're attending the classes and you're not able to sing even one bhajan after attending so many classes, today's class is the 45th class. After five more classes, we'll be completing 50 classes, right? So, after attending so many classes, if you can't sing even, one bhajan that we have learned so many small bhajans, then it is waste of your time, right? It's waste of both your time and my time. Why? What are
Mataji,
the
I
bhajans?
can.
Huh. 1 minute, Vaishnavi. Let's
Mataji, I
let's
can.
1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Like the what are all the bhajans do you remember, Kanna, that we have learned? Are you there, Priyukta? Dropped off, huh? Okay, nothing can be done. Okay, Vaishnavi, go ahead, sing Ayodhya Vasira.
अयोध्या वासी राम दशरथ नंदन राम जानकी जीवन पतित पावन राम राम जय राम अयोध्या वासी राम दशरथ नंदन राम जानकी जीवन पतित पावन राम राम जय राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम राजा राम सीता राम सीता राम राजा राम राजा राम सीता राम सीता राम राजा राम राजा राम सीता राम सीताराम राजा राम राजा राम सीताराम सीताराम राजा राम
Okay,
राजा
very good.
राम
See, one tip should I say you? So when you repeat in a bhajan, when you repeat these lines, no, at the end, so it should beautifully come the line. Uh, for first time when you're singing, it should be at a lower pitch. Next time it should be at a higher pitch. It's like राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम राजा राम सीता राम सीता राम राजा 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 राम सीता again you come to low राजा राम सीता राम राजा राम and you end it like that. You can try, okay, Kanna? Well, whenever you practice or sing at home, try it that way. You sung correctly only. As you sing, right? The last section when you repeat the lines, first time you sing it, it should be in low, then take it high, like middle, then higher level, then come back. Right? Try that. Okay. Okay, very good. You can. It's sort of for you. People have so much internet access and all. Gemini, all AI is there. You can ask YouTube. You can go listen to bhajans. You can observe how big Vidwans are singing, right? You can observe that and you can learn. Okay, very good. Okay, next
Mataji,
one.
can I sing Tirupalai?
Wait, Kana, let me give everyone a chance, right? You have sung Namadeva today. I'm very happy. Next class, I'll come back to you. Okay? Okay. Um,
माताजी माताजी
Kana, tell me.
Mataji told I'll tell that Ramayanam.
We'll see Ramayanam. Before that, let's practice some bhajans. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Vedansh and Abhignya, can you sing Garuda Gamanatava today?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Garuda Gamana Tava Charana Kamala Manasila Satu Mama Nityam Manasila Satu Mama Nityam Mama Tapa Mapa Gurudeva Mama Tapa Mapa Gurudeva Mama Tapa Mapa Gurudeva Mama
Mama
Tapa
Papa
Mapa
Mapa
Gurudeva
Gurudeva.
विभूत विनुत पद पद्मा विभूत विनुत पद पद्मा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम पाप मपा गुरुदेवा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम पाप मपा गुरुदेवा भुजग शयन भव मदन जनक भव जनन मरण भयहारी जनन मरण भयहारी मम ताप मम गुरुदेवा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम पाप मपा गुरुदेवा शंख चक्रधर दुष्ट दैत्य हर सर्वलोक शरणा सर्वलोक शरणा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम पाप मपा गुरुदेवा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम पाप मपा गुरुदेवा अगणित गुणगण अशरण शरण दविदल
Surabhijala.
विदलित बुधा मम
Mama
ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम पाप मपा गुरुदेवा भक्तवर्य भूरि करुणया पाहि भारतीतीर्थं पाहि भारतीतीर्थं मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेवा
Garuda Gamana Tava Charana Kamalami.
मनसिल सतु मम नित्यं मनसिल सतु मम नित्यं
Mamata Mapa Gurudeva. Mama Papa Mapa Gurudeva. Okay, very good. Excellent. Thank you. Okay. P. Satvik Kanna, can you sing Ramaya Ramabhadraya? P. Satvik, you're there, Kanna?
Yes, mother.
Ramaya Ramabhadraya, can you sing?
Yes, mother.
Go ahead.
रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनन्दाय नित्याय
Raghunataya Nataya.
रघुनन्दाय नाथाय
Not Raghunantaya. Raghunathaya Nathaya.
रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतापतये नमः
Sitaya Pataye Namaha.
सीताय पतये नमः श्रीराम राम रघुनंदन राम राम श्रीराम राम भद्राचल राम राम
Sri Rama Rama Bharatagraja Rama Rama.
श्रीराम राम
Bharatagraja.
भरताग्रज राम राम श्रीराम राम रणकर्कश राम राम श्रीराम राम
Sharanam Bhava Rama Rama.
श्रीरामचंद्र झिरुनं मनसा
Charanam. Sri Ramachandra Charanam Manasa Smarami.
श्रीरामचंद्र चिरुनं वचा
Repeat the line, Kanna. Sri Ramachandra Charanam Manasa Smarami.
श्रीरामचन्द्राचरणं मनसा स्मरामि
It's not cherunam. Charanam. Charanam.
शरणं
Not sharanam. Sharanam is different. Charanam.
चरणं
Charanam.
चरणं
Charanam. Shriramachandra charanam manasa smarami.
श्रीरामचन्द्राचरणं मनसा स्मरामि श्रीरामचन्द्राचरणं विसचा गुरुनामि श्रीरामचन्द्राचरणं शिरसा हमामि श्रीरामचन्द्राचरणं शिरं हैप्रदे
Charanam prapadye.
शिरणं प्रपद्ये
Say cha. Cha.
च
Cha. Ra.
र
Nam.
नं
Charanam.
चरणं
Not che. Cha.
चरणं
CHA. Cha. Charanam.
चरणं
Very good. Okay. Keep practicing, Akana. You should practice more. Next time I'll ask you to sing this song again. Okay, next class. Okay. Okay, I'm going to give task for people because you people are forgetting the song, the bhajans that we have learned in previous classes. So I'll give some tough bhajans to practice and come. Satvik, next class you'll be singing Dumaka Charita Ramachandra. Okay? Practice well. Vaishnavi, what was the first bhajan that you learned when you started the classes? Ayodhyavasi Ram only, huh? Before that, were you attending the classes?
Manda Chalit Mataji.
Manda Manda Chalite, they are singing. So I thought some other. Okay. Fine, okay. You practice Dumaka Chalita. I don't see any other old students. So let's learn more songs. Okay. We'll start practicing Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana. I'll sing and you can repeat after me. Like last class, what I'll do is I'll call your names one by one. So when whosoever name I'm calling, you unmute and repeat. And then you can mute yourself and I'll call the next person's name. And whomever I call, only they should unmute and repeat. Rest of you people should repeat with mute. Okay. So just to ensure all people are singing properly, right? So let's start with Abhignya and Vedansh. Okay. Repeat Kanna. Shri Ramachandra. Abhignya and Vedansh, can you unmute and repeat? Abhignya. Huh. Shri Ramachandra.
रामचन्द्र
Kripalu Bhajumana.
कृपालु भजुमना
Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajumana.
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना
Harana Bhavabhaya
हरण भय
Darunam.
दारुणम्
Harana Bhavabhaya Darunam.
हरण भय दारुणम्
Navakanjalochana
लोचना
Kanjamukakara
पंचमुखकर
Kanjapada Kanjarunam. Okay, Satvik, you repeat now.
कंजमुखकर कंज
Kanjapada Kanjarunam.
कञ्जपदकजकार्जुनं
कंजपद
कञ्जपद
कंजारुणम.
कञ्जारुणं
Right. Kanja means lotus. Pada means his padam. Aruna means Kanja. Aruna is right, equal to sun, right? So freshly bloomed lotus. Kanja pada kanjarunam.
कञ्जपदकजकारुणं
Kanja pada kanja arunam. Kanja pada kanja arunam. Kanja pada kanjarunam.
कञ्जपदकजकारुणं
Listen carefully. Kanja, pada, again kanja, arunam. Kanja, pada, kanjarunam.
कञ्जपदकजकारुणं
You are singing kanja, pada, kajarunam. It's kanja, pada, kanjarunam. You are missing the N in the last word. Kanja, pada, kanjarunam.
कञ्जपदकञ्जारुणं
Correct. Shri Ramachandra Kripalu
श्रीरामचन्द्रकृपालु
Bhajumana
भजुमना
Harana Bhavabhaya
हरण भवभय
Darunam.
दारुणम्
Next, Prayukta, can you unmute and sing? You can mute Satvik. Prayukta, can you sing? Kandarpa Ganita
कन्दर्पगणित
Amita Chabi
हामितशदी
Kandarpa Ganita
कन्दर्पगणित
Amita Chabi
हमितछवि
Navanila Neeraja
नवनीलनीरज
Sundaram
सुन्दरम्
Patapitamaanahu
पतपेदमानम्
Patapitamaanahu
पतपेदमानम्
Tarita Ruchi Shuchi
तरतर रुचिशुषि
Naumi Janaka
तामे जनक
Naumi Janaka
तामे जनक
Navmi 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 Janaka
नौमि जनक
Sutavaram
सुदावनम्
Navmi Janaka Sutavaram. Okay, fine. Next, Babita, can you sing? Can you unmute and sing?
Yes, Mataji.
Shri Ramachandra
Shri Ramachandra
Kripalu Bhajumana
Kripalu Bhajumana
Harana Bhavabhaya
Harana Bhavabhaya
Darunam
Karunam
Dharunam
Dharunam
Navakanjalochana
Navakanjalochana
Kanjamukakara
Kanjamukakara
Kanjapada
Kanjapada
Kanjarunam
Kanjarunam
Shri Ram
Shri Ram
Shri Ram.
Shri Ram.
Okay. Vaishnavi, can you repeat now? Bhajo Dina Bandhu
भजुदीनबन्धु
दिनेश दानव
दिनेश दानव
दैत्यवंश
दैत्यवंश
निकन्दनम्
निकन्दनं
रघुनन्दानन्द
रघुनन्दानन्द
कन्दकौशल
कन्दकौशल
छन्द दशरथ
छन्द दशरथ
नन्दनम्
नन्दनम्
once more भजुदीनबन्धु
भजुदीनबन्धु
दिनेश दानव
दिनेश दानव
दैत्यवंश निकन्दनम्
दैत्यवंश निकन्दनम्
रघुनन्दानन्द
रघुनन्दानन्द
कन्दकौशल
कन्दकौशल
कन्द दशरथ नन्दनम्
छन्द दशरथ नन्दनम्
very good okay Pete Satvik can you repeat now
Yes, Mataji.
श्रीरामचन्द्र
श्रीरामचन्द्र
कृपालु भजुमन
कृपालु भजुमल
कृपालु भजुमन न
कृपालु भजुमन
very good हरन भव भय
हरण भव भय
दारुणम्
दारुणम्
श्रीरामचन्द्र
श्रीरामचन्द्र
कृपालु भजुमन
कृपानु भजुमन
हरन भव भय दारुणम्
हवन भव भय दारुणम्
श्रीराम
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 okay Ritik can you repeat now Kana Ritik can you unmute and repeat ha सिरमुकुट
हिरमुकुट
कुण्डल तिलक
कुण्डल तिलक
चारु
चारु
उदारु अंग
उदारंग
विभूषणम्
विभूषणम्
सिरमुकुट कुण्डल
इरुमुकुट कुण्डल
तिलक चारु
तिलक चारु
उदारु अंग विभूषणम् उदारु अंग
उदारुवंग
विभूषणम्
विभूषणम्
अजानुभुज
अचानुभुज
सरचापधर
चरचापद
संग्रामजित
संग्रामचित
करदूषणम्
करदूषणम्
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु
भजुमन
भजुमन
हरन भव भय
अरुण भवभय
हरन भव भय
अरण भवभय
दारुणम्
दारुणं
श्रीराम
श्रीराम
श्रीराम.
श्रीराम.
Okay. So who remembers the meaning? What is the meaning of Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajumana? What's the meaning? I said in last class. Who remembers?
Mataji,
Ah,
Mataji not attend last class, Mataji.
okay. Whoever attended, tell me. What is the meaning of Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajumana? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of Kripalu? What is the meaning of Bhajumana? Anyone? Kripalu means who is the Murti of Karuna, who is very kind. Hmm? No one has the answer. Huh?
Rama.
Rama is very kind. Karuna Sindhu. He's Kripalu. He's very kind. So Kripalu means
Fine.
who has kripa on others, right? Who is very kind and who is, very empathetic, considerate towards others, right? Bhaju mana. So what is Tulasydasa saying here? Shri Tulsidasa, he's saying Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana. Bhajumana means I'm going to chant your name. Tulasydasa is saying the name of who? Rama. Which Rama? That Rama who is Karuna Sindhu, who is Kripalu, who is filled with kindness and empathy, right? So Tulsidasa is saying Sri Ramachandra Kripalu. See, there are many Ramas, no? Who is the other Rama? There is one more Rama. There are three Ramas. One is our Rama, Dashratha Nandana Rama, Dashratha Putra Rama, Sita Pati Rama. That is one Rama. Who are the other two Ramas? You remember? At least one you should remember. Who was the Rama who stopped Dashratha Nandana Rama when he broke the Shivadanush?
Parashurama.
Very good. Parashurama, Bhargava Rama. His name is also Rama. Bhargava Rama, right? So, because he was blessed with the Parashu by Lord Shiva, he is called Parashurama. Now, that is second Rama. Who is the third Rama? Third Rama, we have not seen about him yet. But he is the elder brother of Krishna. Who is that?
Balarama.
Balarama, correct. So, there are so many Ramas, right? Balarama, Parashurama, and there is our hero of the Ramayana, who is Dashratha Nandana Rama. Rama, who is the son of Dashratha. Sita Vara Rama, Sita Pati Rama, the husband of Sita, that Rama. So Tulasidasa Swami is saying here that Sri Ramachandra Kripanu Bhajamana. Amongst these three Ramas, who is the kindest, who is the considerate, who is the Kripalu? Our Dashratha Nandana Rama. So, Tulasidasa Swami is saying, who is Tulasidasa? What did he do? What did he do? What did Tulsidasa do? I won't remember, sir. He wrote the Ramayana, right? In which language?
Avani.
Very good, excellent. Avadi. So he wrote the Ramayana. Ramayana was originally in Sanskritam, the Adi Kavyam, the first poem ever written. Adi Kavyam, the Itihasam, our history, was written in Sanskrit by
Tulasidasa.
in Sanskrit by Valmiki. So, referring to that Sanskrit work of Valmiki, Tulasidasa wrote it in the language Avadi, right? In the language Avadi. So, Avadi is somewhere closer to Hindi. Not exactly Hindi, it's closer to Hindi. It is in those days, during the times of Akbar and such kings, it was spoken in the UP, Uttarakhand area, right? Delhi area. So, that is the language of Avadi. So, Tulasidasa Swami is singing on Rama. What is he singing? Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajumana. I'm going Bhaju Mana. Mana, me. I'm going to Bhaju. I'm going to chant the name of Rama. Which Rama? The one who is the kindest, the one who is filled with empathy. Dashratha Nandana Rama. Haran, and what will be the benefit of chanting his name? Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Bhava Bhaya Harana Bhava Bhaya. What was the meaning I said for this? No one remembers. Okay, in Garuda Gamanatava, we sing. What is that? Before that, Jala Jana Yela Vidina Muchi Harana Mukha Vibhuda Vinuta Pada Padma. Janma Marana Bhayahari. Janana Marana Bhayahari. What is the meaning of Janana Marana Bhayahari?
Who is scared of death and birth?
Very good. So when you take his name, what are the benefits? You don't get the fear of birth and death. We as human beings, according to our Sanatana Dharma, we are stuck in the cycle of birth and death. So that fear of birth and death will be gone when you take his name. That is what we saw in the Garuda Gamanatava bhajan, right? Janana. Janana means born. Marana means death. Birth, death. Janana, Marana. Bhaya. Bhaya means fear. Hari, who does away with the fear. Right? Janana, Marana, Bhaya, Hari. So similarly, the same meaning here. Haran. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajumana Harana Bhava Bhaya. Bhaya comes here, no? See the same word. Darunam. He does away with the fear of, you'll not get the fear of birth and death when you chant his name. Which name? The Rama, who's Kripalu. So Tulasidasa Swami is saying, Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajumana Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. What is the meaning? Navakanjalochana Kanja Mukhakara. What is the meaning?
Like lotus face.
Hmm.
And
Very good. Kanja means lotus flower. Kanjarunam means the lotus flower which has the first rays of the sunshine in the morning, right? Freshly bloomed tender lotus. So that is Kanja. Navakanja. Nava means new. Navakanja Lochana. Lochana means eyes. Kanja Mukkakara. His eyes, his face, his feet, everything is like a freshly bloomed, beautiful lotus. So Tulsidasa is enjoying the, enjoying the beauty of Rama, right? Navakanjalochana kanja mukkakara kanja pada kanjarunam Shriram Shriram Kandarpaganitamiත chavi Navanila Nirada Sundaram. What is the color of Rama?
Dark blue.
Mataji white. White.
Dark
Both
blue.
White.
Narayana in any form, Krishna, Rama, he's always dark. So when Bhaktas and Bhagavatotamas describe him, they say that Rama is dark with a bluish green shine, right? Same applies for Krishna also. So Krishna has the little bit, a bluish shine, and Rama has a little bit greenish shine. So that's what they say. Ah,
No, Mataji, Ram will be white, na Mataji?
no, Ram is dark in color. That's why you should not watch TV soaps. This TV serials show him white. All the Bollywood movies, TV serials, they show him white. Rama was dark. Nava Neela Neeraja Sundaram. See, that's what Tulasidasa is saying. So Rama was dark. Krishna was dark. Both were dark. Rama had a greenish shine to his dark color, and Krishna had a bluish shine to his dark
Mataji,
color. Ah,
who wrote Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana Mataji?
Tulasidasa Swami. That's
Okay,
what we are
Mataji.
discussing. For every line I'm saying no. Tulasida says. Why am I saying so? Because Tulasida wrote this bhajan, right? So now, okay. Patapita Manahu. What did I say is the meaning of Patapita? Anyone remembers?
Yellow color.
Very good. Yellow color dhoti he wears. What color dhoti Rama likes to wear, Krishna likes to wear, Narayana likes to wear? Yellow, bright yellow color
Yellow
dhoti.
color.
That's what he likes. That's his favorite. So he always wear that, right? Wears that. So Patapita Manahu Tarita Ruchi Suchi Naumi Janaka Sutavaram. Who is Janaka Suta? Who is Janaka Suta?
Sita.
Very good, excellent. Janaka Suta is Sita. Ruchi Suchi. What is the meaning of Suchi? She's pure, right? Purest of. She's Jaganmata, right? Obviously, so she is the purest of pure. So Tulasidasa is appreciating Rama, saying, "Hey Rama, you are the husband of Janaki, Janakasuta, who is Sita, who is Jaganmata, who is the purest of anything that exists in this Brahmandam, right?" So Tulasidasa is appreciating Rama this way and enjoying Rama this way, right? Bajudina bandhu dinesha dhanava daityavanchani kandanam. What is the meaning of Danava, Daitya? What is the meaning of Danava, Daitya?
Ma'am, Danava means Rakshasa.
Very good. Danava means Rakshasa. So, even in Garuda Gamanata, what do you think? What do you sing? Shanka Chakradhara, the one who carries Shankam and Chakram, right? Dushta Daitya Hara. Dushta Daitya means Rakshasas, Asuras, bad people. The same line comes here. See, Bajudina Bandhu Dinesha Dhanava Daitya Vanchani Kandhanam. Daitya Dinesha Dhanava Daitya Vanshani Kandanam. Hey Rama, who kills the Rakshasas, protects the good people, protects the rishis. Right? Raghunandanan. Sorry, I'm out of Shruti. Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajumana Harana Bhagavayadharunam Bajadina Bandhu Dinesha Dhanava Daitya Vanshani Kandanam. Dasharatanandanam. Who is the moon of Dashratha's family? Dashratha's court. Who is the Dashratha's son?
Rama.
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 So, see how beautifully Tulsidasa is singing about Rama. Right? Today what did we learn? We learned the stanza Sira Mukuta Kundala Tilaka Charu. Sira Mukuta. Sira means the head, right? Sira Mukuta means crown. Siramukuta cha, Siramukuta kundala tilaka charu. Kundala means earrings. Nice round ball like earrings. Tilaka means the Sri Charanam, right? The tilak that he has. So Tulsidasa is saying how Rama looks. Tulsidasa is describing Rama out of love. Siramukuta kundala tilaka charu. What and all is Rama wearing? Rama is wearing a nice crown with nice, beautiful kundalam, beautiful earrings, and then the tilakam, right? Udharu anga vibhushanam. Vibhushanam means all these ornaments. So on his body, he is wearing nice gold ornaments. So Tulasidasa is imagining Rama in the best way he could, right? In the best way, in a beautiful way, he's imagining. Whenever you get ready and go outside for family functions and for festivals, how do you get ready? Nicely wear nice earrings, chains, and nice things, right? So Tulasidasa is imagining Rama like that. Siramukuta kundala tilaka charu udaru anga vibhushanam. Vibhushanam means a lot of jewels, right? That is worn on the body. Anga means shariram. Shariram. Anga shariram means the body. Right. आजानुभुज सर चापधर संग्राम जित कर दूषणम. What is the meaning of Ajanubahu? What is the meaning of Bahubali? There is a movie, no? Bahubali 1, 2. What is the meaning of Bahubali? Tell me. Who knows?
Who was a strong person?
What is the meaning? Tell me.
Who was the strong person?
Okay, but not exact meaning. What is the meaning of Bahu? Bahu means
Muscles.
shoulders. Shoulders. Shoulders is what is called as Bahu. Bali means strong. So who has strong shoulders, right? That person is called Bahubali, right? That is the name of the movie. So here Tulasidasa is saying Ajanubhuja or Ajanubahu means who has broad, wide, strong shoulders. Who? Rama. Rama and Lakshmana, like Kshatriyas, no, they're royal people who have practiced war skills and learnt all those things. So Rama is Ajanubhuja, such wide and strong shoulders Rama has. Ajanubhuja sara chapadhara sangrama jita karadushanam. There are two Rakshasas who are going to enter our story. Who is the Rakshasi that we saw about in the last class? What is her name?
Sadhana.
This Shurpanaka has many brothers. Two of his of her brothers, their name is Kara and Dushana. They are not they have not yet entered our story. We are going to see their story now only, right? Or in the next class. It's already 5:50 today. So Tulsidasa is saying Sangrama Jita Karadushanam, right? Rama killed these Rakshasas Kara and Dushana. How did he kill them? Why did they come and fight with Rama? Because now Shurpanaka created a big scene. We saw what happened in the last class. Now she'll go and complain to her brothers. She'll bring an army of Rakshasas. All the story is going to happen. And then Rama and Lakshmana, they fight these Rakshasas and they kill them. Right? So, two main Rakshasas who were head of all these Rakshasas were Kara and Dushana. So Tulasidasa says, Sangrama Jita Karadushanam. Hey Ram, one who punished, one who killed the Karadushana Rakshasas. So Tulasidasa praises Rama. So that is the meaning of Siramukuta Kundala Tilaka Charu Daru Anga Vibhushanam Ajanu Bhuja Sara Chapadhara Sangrama Jita Karadushanam Shri Ram Shri Ram Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajumana Harana Bhavayadaruna Navakanjalochana Kanja Mukakara Kanja Pada Kanjaruna Shri Ram Shri Ram. This is how you should sing, okay? Remember the meaning carefully. Again, whatever meaning I have told today, I will ask in the next class. Okay, everyone should answer. Okay? Okay, now what happened in last class? What did Shurpanaka do? Someone tell me. How did she look?
Shurpanaka looked like a Rakshasa, and she thinks I am the prettiest lady in the world.
And what did she do? In which part
When
of the forest?
when she saw Rama in Vanavasam, she fell love with it, love with him, and then she asked, "Will you marry me, Rama?" Then
Okay.
Rama said, "I have wife Sita, so I can't bring another into my life."
Okay, very good.
Then
Now what did she do then?
she was troubling Rama by asking this question again and again.
Hmm.
Then Rama told once go and ask Lakshmana. Lakshmana also have told that I am also married.
Correct. Hmm.
Then again the Lakshmana got angry and cutted the nose of the
You're missing the story here, right? So Rama multiple times Rama denied, saying, "No, I cannot marry you. I'm already married, and I have promised my wife Sita that I'll not marry any other women." So now Shurpanaka should leave and go away, ideally. But she's not doing that. And instead, she is forcing Rama to marry her. So Rama, just to escape from her, he just shows Lakshmana to Shurpanaka and says, "See there, whoever is doing all the work, cutting the leaves and all that, that is my younger brother Lakshmana. Though he is married, he doesn't have his wife with him here in Nashik. Currently, she's not here. You can go and ask my younger brother." Because Rama knows that Lakshmana will also drive her away. So now she goes and asks Lakshmana. Now Lakshmana says, "See, madam, I am myself a slave of my elder brother. I am doing kainkariam to him every day. I am building the huts for him, making food, washing utensils. So until we return back to our kingdom, it's my duty to serve my brother. So I am myself a slave who does all these jobs of cooking, cleaning, making things, getting water from the river. So if you marry me, right, you would have to do half of the work. You would have to share half of the work. Because if someone becomes husband and wife, they both share the responsibilities and the loads, right? So if you become my wife, you would have to share half of the work, right? So why do you risk your life? So better just leave. Lakshmana said this. But still, Shurpanaka was not ready to leave, and she was wondering why these two men are not agreeing, right? She also forces both of them, saying, "See, I am the best woman in the world. I look the best. And Rama, see, you are the best man. So if we both marry, we'll make the best women and the man." So she tries to convince both of them. And now there was a lot of conversations which were going outside the hut. So Sita wondered what is happening, who has come here. So just to see who is it, Sita peeks out of the hut just to see what's happening, who has come and why there's so much noise. And when Shurpanaka sees Sita, at that moment, she becomes so jealous and realizes because of Sita only Rama is not agreeing to marry any other woman. So out of jealousy and rage, she is trying to attack Sita. Only then, to protect Sita, Lakshmana quickly acts upon her, takes his knife, cuts down her nose, and drives her away. And she runs away. And that way, Lakshmana protects Sita. Right? Now, Shurpanaka has run away with a cut nose. She is bleeding. Where she goes, whom does she complains to? What does she do? Who comes back and attacks Rama and Lakshmana? We'll see in the next class. Okay? Next class, I'll also ask everyone to sing the bhajan. Okay, not this one. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana we'll practice again in the next class. Revise all the bhajans that we have learned in the previous classes. Okay? Hare Krishna.
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Mataji.
Mataji.